Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, here we are discussing question number 4A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. If you need handwritten or PDF, for this, please contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And here the question number four A is here illustrate with your drawings about Jain miniature paintings giving an example. This question is taken from lesson 3 and this question is about 100 to 150 words. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We are here for help for help and support of all the students of everyone here from anywhere means that from a university and if you are from school also, so we are here for help you. Thank you so much.